Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about a cough syrup in this video. Nowadays people are getting cough. When they are getting cough, they are too much confused that it's a dry cough or wet cough or what cough syrup to drink. If you are above 12 years, blindly go for this Turent cough syrup. This Turent cough syrup is 100% effective, fast release, and it's made of herbal active ingredients like peppermint oil, eucalyptus oil, honey, ginger and tulsi. This honey and ginger, it works for your sore throat and irritation on the throat also. The dosage is 10 ml 3 times a day after food. So try this cough syrup. If you like, let me know in the comment section how effective this cough syrup and how useful and informative this video for you. Thank you.